Imagine the largest asteroid in the solar system, Vesta, with a diameter of 525 kilometers striking Earth. The impact would unleash catastrophic changes, reshaping life as we know it. The collision would generate an explosion equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs, causing massive tsunamis, earthquakes, and a global climate shift. The aftermath would be devastating, with the potential to wipe out entire species and alter the course of evolution on our planet. Over time, Earth would recover, but the world would be forever changed. Scientists estimate that the energy released by such an impact would be around 10 circumflex 26 joules, enough to vaporize rock and create a crater hundreds of kilometers wide. Historically, asteroid impacts have had profound effects on Earth. The most famous is the Chicxulub impact, which is believed to have caused the extinction of the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. If Vesta were to hit Earth, the consequences would be far-reaching. The initial impact would incinerate everything within a large radius, while the debris thrown into the atmosphere could block sunlight for years, leading to a nuclear winter scenario. In the long term, new ecosystems would eventually emerge, and life would adapt to the changed environment. But the process would take millions of years. To prevent such a catastrophe, scientists are working on ways to detect and deflect potentially hazardous asteroids, ensuring the safety of our planet for future generations.